Welcome to Kiddo Quiz 6. The first question: which D is a prominent animal that disappeared from the earth? Which D is a prominent animal to disappear from the earth? Yeah, we all know it. It is dinosaur. The dinosaurs, they lived on this earth in large numbers once upon a time. That was even before man came to earth. But today we don't have dinosaurs amongst us. Second question: which country has the highest population in the world? Which country has the highest population in the world? It is China. China stands first as regards the population of a country is concerned. Third question: which state of India boasts of the snack named Dhokla? Which state of India boasts of a famous snack called Dhokla? It is Gujarat. Dhokla is a popular snack of Gujarat. Fourth question: where in India is the great monument Charminar? Where in India do you have the monument Charminar? It's in Hyderabad. Charminar you find in Hyderabad. Fifth question: which one is the odd one out? Mumbai, Kolkata, Paris, New Delhi. Which one is the odd one out? Mumbai, Kolkata, Paris, New Delhi. It is Paris. All the other three cities are Indian cities. Paris is the capital of France. It's in Europe. Sixth question: where from does our Prime Minister speak to us on the Independence Day? Where from does our Prime Minister speak to us on the Independence Day? He speaks to us from the Red Fort. He speaks to us from the Red Fort. Seventh question: when is the Earth Day? When do we celebrate the Earth Day? April 22nd. On that day, we show our concern for the earth. We explain, we tell to ourselves the commitments that we should have as regards the earth is concerned. So the slogan is Save this Earth, April 22nd, the Earth Day. Eighth question: what do you call the cry of a cat? The cry of a cat. A cat mews. A cat mews. That's the cry of the cat. Ninth question: who is known as the Nightingale of India? Who is popular as the Nightingale of India? It is Sarojini Naidu. She was a great poetess. In the meanwhile, she took an active part in the Indian freedom struggle. She was a Gandhian. She had followed him. 10th question. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Who was the first Prime Minister of India? The first woman Prime Minister of India was Srimati Indira Gandhi, daughter of the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. 11th question. Complete the name or the title of this story. Complete the title of this story. Dash and 40 thieves. Dash and 40 thieves. Ali Baba and 40 thieves. A very popular story, quite an interesting one. Ali Baba and 40 thieves. 12th question. Who was the first Indian to step into space? Who was the first Indian to step into space? It was Rakesh Sharma. It was Rakesh Sharma. 13th question. How many years make one millennium? How many years make one millennium? $1,000 years. 1,000 years. Now we are in the third millennium. First one is over, second millennium is over. From the year 2000 onwards, we have the third millennium going on. A millennium has 1,000 years. 14th question. What do we use to photograph the inside of our body? What do we use to photograph the inside parts of our body? X-rays. X-rays get us the picture of the inside parts of our body. 15th question. How many inches make 1 foot? How many inches make 1 foot? A foot consists of 12 inches. 12 inches make 1 foot. 16th question. Who was the first human, first man to go into space? Who was the first man to go into the space? It was Yuri Gagarin. He was a Soviet cosmonaut. Yuri Gagarin, he was the first one to go into space. American space travelers are called astronauts. If they are from Russia, they are called cosmonauts. Cosmos, from that word, cosmonaut has come. Now, the 17th question. What instrument is used to measure the purity of milk? Sometimes water is added to milk. We want to know whether the milk is pure or how much of water has got added. What instrument do we use? It is lactometer. Lactometer. Lacto stands for milk. Milk meter. To know the purity of milk, we use lactometer. 18th question. Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? Who was the first Indian to win Nobel Prize? It was Rabindranath Tagore. For his Gitanjali, he got the Nobel Award, and he happens to be the first person to secure a Nobel Award. 19th question. Which two states of India share a common capital? Which two states of India share a common capital? Punjab and Haryana. The states of Punjab and Haryana have a common capital, and it is Chandigarh. The capital is Chandigarh. Last question. Where do all the three water bodies, the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean, they meet? Where do the three water bodies, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean, they meet? It is Kanyakumari or Cape Comorin. Kanyakumari or Cape Comorin. That is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. Thank you.